We have breaking news also, viewers. As the Me Too storm escalates, the former AMMA president and veteran actor Mohanlal has now made a big statement. He says that the AMMA, which is the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, cannot be held answerable for each and every allegation that comes in. He says that the Malayalam film industry is quite large and there are some 21 concerned unions, and talks will, or rather should be held with these unions as well. Let's listen into Mohanlal.
ഈ അമ്മ മാത്രമല്ല, ഇതിന് ഒരുപാട് സംഘടനകളില്ലേ, അവരുമായിട്ടൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ സംസാരിക്കൂ, അവരുടെ എല്ലാം റിപ്പോർട്ടുകൾ എടുക്കൂ, അവരുമായിട്ട് അവർക്ക് എന്താ പറയാനുള്ളതെന്ന് കേൾക്കൂ. നാളെ അമ്മ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സംഘടന ഇതിനെല്ലാം പ്രതികരിക്കണം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്കിത് അറിയാം. ഇതൊരു വലിയൊരു ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി അല്ലേ, ഇത് എന്താ നടന്നിരിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയില്ലല്ലോ. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഞാനൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞോട്ടെ. അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പൊ കൺസേൺഡ് ഒരു 21 യൂണിയനുകളുണ്ട്. അതിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവരെല്ലാം അറിയിക്കണ്ടേ. ഇപ്പൊ അതിലില്ലാത്ത ഒരു അമ്മയെ വന്ന് അറിയിച്ചിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളൊരു അഭിപ്രായം പറഞ്ഞില്ലെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ പ്രസക്തിയാണുള്ളത്?
So Jayalakshmi joins us now. Jayalakshmi, we've had Jayasuriya's response. We've had this statement now from Mohanlal. What is Mohanlal saying, and is this the industry somewhat now starting to offer some kind of resistance, defend itself a little bit? Is that what we are seeing?
See, when it comes to Mohanlal's statement, he clearly said that, as an AMMA ex-president or as a representative, the senior most representative of the movie body, the only thing we can do, is to offer a resignation, because these are our names. We were helpless. It was not one or two isolated cases. It were multiple names given by, the major names were taken out, who all of them who were part of the executive body members. So definitely the collective step we could do as a responsible association was to step down. And we also know that, AMMA as an association is legally giving all help to whatever process that they need from us. We are offering all our help in supporting the legal investigation process. That is the only thing that we can do. But we are not nobody to punish people. The only thing we can do is, to remove them from the movie body, and that's exactly what we did. That is as far as the AMMA association is concerned. But CPIM, on the other hand, has given a very contradictory statement, saying that, they will, no matter what happens, they will not demand resignation of their MLA, because these allegations or these charges that have been put on him has not been proven yet. Yes, this is what the CPIM says, and the CPIM has clearly said that they will not fall under any political pressure on giving up, on demanding resignation of their MLA, because there is no legal provision if he is proven innocent, and there is no legal provision to bring him back to the body. So that is something that this party won't do, is at any cost.